Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of 1 2 Step, and in this video I am going to show you how to make a professional Pinterest account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. First of all, you have to open your Pinterest application into your device. Then after that, tap into this profile icon at the bottom right corner, and from there tap to the profile icon again at the top left corner, and after going into the profile icon you will see settings option where you have to go into account management. Then after tapping into the account management, you will get the option to convert to a business account. You just simply have to tap into convert to a business account and then click to this convert account option. Then after that, you just simply have to enter your profile name and then click to next. Then after that, just simply enter your website into this tab and click to next button. If you don't have any website yet, just simply click to no website yet. Then after that, describe your business by choosing different options from here and then again click to next button. And at last, you have to choose the option if you want to run ads on Pinterest or not. Just simply choose the option depending on your premises and click to next button. Then after doing this very easy steps, your account will be turned into a professional Pinterest account. By following this very easy steps, you can easily make a professional Pinterest account into your device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.